Hello, good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and away from the virus. Hopefully you're doing lots of looting, the good kind. This morning I just wanted to share that 3 people have written me emails, yay! And they were all wondering about which type Lute to get as far as the number of courses, 6, 7, or 8. Now, I've given the disclaimer, I'm not a professional and don't take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I will tell you this, for a variety of reasons, the 4 of us kind of voted for the 7-course Lute. So do your research, check around. I just gonna throw that information out to you and just hope you're having a great day and take care. Thanks. Bye.